When we talk about politics, so what comes to your mind? I would say some of the top things that come to my mind are money, power. Welcome to Outline Live today, and we are specifically want to talk about money and politics. More specifically, we will talk about politicians and how they trade stocks and are they better traders than rest of us, what advantage they have, should we copy them or should we take inspiration from them. So let's just talk about all of that. So the first and foremost, let's understand their disclosure requirements, because this is very very important. I have seen a lot of people talking about, hey, let's copy these politicians. I have seen a lot of companies offer this data, which is, by the way, very very useful data, because it kind of tells you which way they are thinking, even though that information is bit delayed. So according to the Stock Act, which was signed back in 2012, member of Congress are required to disclose any financial transactions within 45 days. So what does that mean? Like, if I am trading something, I am if I am a member of Congress, which I am not, then I am I have to disclose what I'm where I am buying, where I'm selling, within next 45 days. So technically, this information is bit delayed. So it's bit delayed. So now let's take a step back. Why there is so much noise, why there's so much talk about politicians trading these stocks. We have seen some of these politicians make right move at the right time. I mean, why is that the case? It's not that they are trading in based off of insider information. It's just the amount of exposure that they have. Sometimes what happens is information is literally out there, right? The information is out there, but for a common person like us, it is very very hard to kind of always looking for that relevant information which may impact a certain stock. Again, they may not be trading based off of insider information. They may just be, they have access to that right information at the right time. So, and technically, politicians are very well connected and they have this plethora of information around them. In a way, they can be a better trader than us. Let's look at some of the numbers here. So let's start with this little these numbers here. So I pulled this one image. Let me see if I can make it a bit uh, bigger. So if you all can see my screen here. So these are some of the politician. Doesn't matter you are a Democrat, you are a Republican. You There is a very high probability, if you are like very active in stock market, you're potentially like seeing benefit from it. So for example, this Republican candidate Patrick, he in 2022, by the way, 2022 was one of the worst year. I mean, as compared to 2000, 2008, it's one of the worst year for the stock market. And these sitting candidates, doesn't matter Republican, Democrat, they made a pretty good return by trading stocks or ETFs. So Patrick Fallon, he made around 51.6%, Debbie 50.8, Susie, David. I mean, the list goes on and on. And no wonder, like, everybody is talking about, hey, how we can copy these politicians. But the biggest problem, again, it's the same. You want to copy them, but there there are chances that you may be already late.